three-legged cat. Who would have thought? Look, she's precious. She loves to be held. She's really sweet. Like a baby. Do you want to pick her up and hold her? That'd be great in the video. Look at her. Who needs 4 legs after all? Let's just stick with 3. Yeah. Look, she's precious.
And she's purring so loud.
Are you purring? Are you purring? Hello.
Yeah.
Aww. So this little guy needs a home.
Girl.
Sorry.
Big girl. She's very sweet.
A tripod.
Say hi.
How old is she?
About 4.
About 4. So somebody I hope is falling in love right about now.
Yeah. I know I'm in love.